Alright, Ashley and I are about to do the St. Mary Glacier Trailhead hike. Get all prepped up, get the hiking boots on. Ashley's brand new ones right here. My old crusty ones. And we got my hiking bag right here with all our water as well. So I'm gonna check out this trailhead here shortly. Very hard to breathe when you're how many thousand feet up in the mountains. Gotta be at least like 6,000 feet up. So that's pretty. We saw our first snow right there. Yeah. Alright, well, we pretty much made it to our spot. We're about to see the lake up here. We can already see the glacier.
St. Mary's?
Yep. So there's the glacier part and all the surroundings. About to see the lake. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Wow. Yeah. Look, there's people hiking all the way up there. Walking to go touch some snow now. Just we're on the other side of the lake right here. Figured we'd at least go say hi to the St. Mary Glacier. Alright, we've just about made it to the snow. Probably not gonna go up that high, but we're gonna go over here. Check her out. Maybe walk on it a little bit.
He's picked up. Need a basketball thing. I love that.
She dirty. She dirty snow.
What?
Oh, this is slippery.
Yeah. All fine.
It's slippery. Make snowballs with this though. Alright, well, we're headed back down now from the snow. Just took a bunch of pictures, chilled out there for a couple minutes. But we're out of here. This is our first hike that we've done of our Rocky Mountain or Denver, Colorado adventure. So definitely recommend St. Mary Glaciers. It's pretty easy. I mean, definitely getting used to the higher altitudes is difficult. Yeah, but once you're up here, it's fine. At the lake. But the initial part is definitely, it's not too difficult, but yeah. But it's short, so not too bad. So now we're headed out of here. And then on to the next one.